Hey everyone, welcome back. Fisker has reported 1,471 plus vehicles delivered so far in 2024. The electric vehicle startup Fisker published on Monday its annual report disclosing the delivery of over 6,400 Ocean SUVs. This has all been delivered since May 2023. The company added that it has reduced its headcount by 425 persons since the beginning of the year. We do have a statement from Fisker themselves, and I quote, "Our first model, the all-electric Ocean SUV, has already garnered numerous awards for its design. As of April 16th, 2024, the company delivered over 6,400 Ocean SUVs." End quote. In late February, Fisker had reported the production of 10,193 units and the delivery of 4,929 vehicles, which resulted in more than 1,471 vehicles delivered from January the 1st up until April 16th. Now, interestingly, on March the 18th, the EV startup reported having approximately 4,700 SUVs in inventory. This is due to the demand not meeting the management expectations in 2023. Now, in regards to headcount, we also have an additional statement from Fisker, and I quote, "We employed approximately 1,560 full-time employees as of December 31st, 2023, 760 as of December 31st, 2022, and 327 as of December 31st, 2021. As of the end of last week, Fisker has employed an approximately 1,135 employees. The company stated that the decrease primarily reflects the action taken to reduce the headcount. This new Fisker company seemed to have a very interesting start to delivering their vehicles, and not the best start I might add, from negative reviews of these vehicles to the cash burn that they've been enduring to the lack of demand from customers. The lack of funding, it's all very captivating story for headlines, but for Fisker, it is troublesome. And this is where the question lies. What's next for Fisker? What do they do now? How can this company possibly survive? Out of all the companies out there that are struggling, Fisker is one of the obvious ones that is going to take a mountain of tasks to help this company survive. This is a company that might not be around for too long based on how things are going. Look at companies like Rivian who are struggling, but they have cash left over. Rivian sees greater demand, they're delivering greater number of vehicles, and they have greater number of approval in terms of review and customer satisfaction. Fisker is completely different. Now, in regards to the cash balance, Fisker spends $904 million in cash in operating and investing activities in 2023. It saw its cash balance decreasing by $411 million. The company disclosed its cash balance reduced by $736 million by the end of 2022 to $325 million at December 31st, 2023. Here lies another statement from Fisker, and I quote, "Our cash and cash equivalent balance further reduced to $53.9 million of the unrestricted and $11.2 million of restricted at April 16, 2024, reflecting significant payment to certain suppliers." End quote. Now, in regards to dealership, Fisker said that it's selecting its dealers based upon multiple criteria, including a dealer's ability to deliver a high level of customer satisfaction. The company has recently announced new dealers partners in the US and Europe, having now 6 dealers partnered location in US, Miami, Jacksonville, and 12 in Europe. Now, the question remains, if Fisker is to survive, raising additional cash. The company said it's expected additional cash in 2024 for debt services and investment deals, adding that its ability to generate cash from operating activities will depend on the ability to transition to a dealer model and sell vehicles. The company announced on Monday Michael Healy, Senior Manager Director of FTI Consulting, and its new Chief Structuring Officer. This decision followed Fisker's recent agreement with an investor set to expire on April 26. Fisker has recently withdrawn all financial and operating guidance for 2024 and appoint both Deutsche Bank and PJT Partners as financial advisors to explore strategic alternatives. Fisker received the delisting notice of its stock from the New York Stock Exchange on March 25 and started trading on the OTC market, where security trades via a broker-dealer network. This is a lot of turmoil for Fisker, And I must say, you got to realize something. This is not the first time a Fisker company has failed. We've had a Fisker company before. This was back in the day, 2011, 2012, 2013 times. That company failed as well. And they were making electric cars or hybrids, I believe, but who among us has remembered the Fisker Calmer? That was this vehicle, to be specific, well known for being in silver, of course. So this was the original Fisker, I guess, 2012. Now, of course, many of you might have known the story that the CEO of Fisker, the founder, he used to work for Tesla. And of course, he left Tesla to start his own company known as Fisker. No wonder why this Fisker Karma looks oddly similar to a 2012 or 2013 Tesla Model S. Very similar. There are a few changes here and there, but you cannot deny these cars, they look super similar. And you know, ever since then, there's been a lot of bad blood between Fisker and Tesla CEO Elon Musk. There's been a lot of bad blood. It hasn't been like, you know, a very friendly rivalry, if you can call it a rivalry at all. But this was the first Fisker company that failed essentially. Now, truth to be told, I don't even know if this company still exists, you know. It could do, because I know the Fisker company we have today is slightly different from this Fisker company. Same guy. It got complicated. That the situation with Tesla didn't end well. Now he tried the first company back in 2011 or 12. Didn't go so well. Now he's trying it with a second company. And again, it hasn't gone very well. Fisker has not had the best of luck in auto manufacturing. I do wish Fisker would have taken the Rivian route, you know, stick to something that is a niche brand. Pickup trucks, SUVs. Start in the US, because people in the US love an American brand, especially, and they love to support American brands, especially if it's a pickup truck brand. So I don't know, I think the way how Rivian went was kind of perfect for Rivian himself. But as you can see, not all companies think alike. And that's good sometimes, but it's having negative effects on Fisker. Don't get me wrong, they did change their model a little bit, because instead of focusing on expensive sedans like the Model S, they decided to focus on SUVs, the Fisker Ocean. Okay, perfect. But these cars are not being manufactured in the US. They're being manufactured in Austria, I believe. I believe it's the same place the G-Wagon is manufactured. It is very interesting, and I feel like I want to make a more in-depth conversation and video on this topic. Like, why does Fisker have so much bad luck? It's not just one company that has failed, but it seems like this will be the second Fisker company that will be failing. It's bad enough to have the Fisker company being delisted from the New York Stock Exchange. But with everything else that's going on, and their main flagship vehicle, the Fisker Ocean, has been getting the most destroying reviews, you know, and I feel like it's cascaded. MKBHB said it in his latest Fisker video that, you know, there's been other negative Fisker reviews. But try to understand something. What made it a lot worse was the biggest tech YouTuber reviewing the Fisker Ocean with a negative review. And that made everything really worse. That really, like, it just put a band-aid on everything, but the band-aid just came off. So what's next for Fisker? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.